Hi everyone, welcome to Amateur Hour. And what we have here is an unboxing of the Zhiyun Smooth-Q3. And this is the combo version as it comes with a carrying case. I picked this up at Best Buy for $119 Canadian, which works out to about, at this time, 88, maybe 89 US dollars. It is a gimbal for a smartphone. I've always wanted to get one, and finally I decided on this one. And right now what I'm going to do is it's just going to be a simple unboxing and first impressions, alright? So without further ado, let's get this going. This is my first gimbal, by the way, so be patient with me if this is all kind of new to me. Here we go, and again, this comes with the combo, so it comes with a case. A carrying case. Alright, so let's get this going here. There we go. There's the, not sure what this is, service card. Here are some of the instructions. I'll definitely be needing to use this as this is my first gimbal. So I'm very excited about this. Let's see now. Oh, here's the carrying case. Oh, I guess it all comes already in the carrying case. Alright. Nothing else inside. Okay, cool. So, let's open this up. Here we go. This looks like the actual gimbal itself. I have to figure out, I guess it doesn't unfold, maybe it unscrews. Oh, there we go. You slide it and then, that's how it works, okay. You unslide it like this and then you screw it back on tight and now it's stable. Not sure, I think it's just a foam. This, I believe, is some of the accessories that comes with this because it's the combo. It came with the case and it comes with its own tripod. So that's interesting. This screws on here. All right, so it's actually its own tripod, or you can even use it for extra handling. Pretty good. All right. Leave it as so, or all right, cool. I like it. Let's see what else is in here. Put this aside for now. All right, this must be the, oh, this is the strap. Well, it's a strap to that goes around the wrist. All right, cool. Here's just the card. Not sure what this is. This is a Zhiyun Prime Redemption instruction. Okay, I'm not sure what this is. I'll have to look into this a little further. As I said, this is my first. And here are the instructions. Instructions and the manuals. Let's see what else is in here. Having a little trouble, sorry folks. Oh, of course, the charging cable. This goes, this is the USB. Here's the Type C. If it goes in here. And this will go into a USB and then into the wall charger. Okay. There's nothing, I think that's it. Yep, I think that's it. All right, pretty cool. It's easy to carry. I can just unscrew this like this. Bring this down like this, screw it on, unscrew this, and you could just put it in here to help you carry it. Pretty good. Okay, as I said, I'm still new at this. I'm still new at this, folks, so I'm sure there's a better way to put this in. There we go, there we go, there you go. And boom. Pretty good, all right. I'm impressed. I can't wait to get this going. I want to get this going outside in the out in the fields to actually start filming. So I will be filming some videos with this and testing it out, and I'll come back with some different features of what this Zhiyun Zoom Q3 will do. So thanks for watching. By the way, if anyone has any comments or any ideas, if anyone has this already, or if anyone has fiddled with gimbals before, don't be shy. Just comment down below, and let me know what I'm missing, what I can do, any ideas, what it can do, what it can't do, and everything like that. All right, so thanks for watching, and like I said, just comment. Thank you.